Welcome to Dipper's Guide to the Unexplained. Anomaly number 42, the tooth. Strangely human, but it's gigantic. It's bigger than any fish or lake monster I've ever seen. And we're gonna find out where it came from.
Wow! According to gnome legend, whoever so weareth the cursed ring will be cursed to growth into a monster so big, blemished, and but ugly. Yikes! I wouldn't want to run into the poor freak who gets this curse. Hey, this ring was made with one of those height-altering crystals I found in the woods. Oh, silly gnomes. This isn't a curse, so no need to worry.
Come on, this is our chance!
That's not important. I had to find you to tell you I'm sorry for ignoring you. Here, I even brought you a picnic basket.
It's not that hard, all right? All you gotta do is point and shoot, like this.
I like you because you're a nice person, and my friend. That's why I invited you to hang out in the first place.
Okay, after it attacked us, that giant head thing just sunk back into the lake, and it lost another one of its teeth trying to eat our boat. But the important thing is, we survived. Barely.
Wowee! Teeny's great at hiding, too! It's my time to shine!
Hey, Petey! You want me to lift you up into a tree or something? Wanna cruise with us?
I did a little shopping, grabbed a bite to eat, and trashed a giant killer robot.
Looks like I'm the only one who made it out of that. Whatever it was. Whew.
Yeah, I think your machine still has some bug. Yeah, I'll just stick with aliens if that's okay with everybody.
Sure beats being called a rodent. Are you saying I can rescue my friends?
When I was running around trashing robots, I saw a map that had a couple of interesting places. I think I'll go check them out, and maybe save some aliens.
I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. It's been a while since I've seen a friendly face. Oh, sure. Don't even bother to ask how I am. Hey, that was great. We're like a well-oiled machine. Fighting a well-oiled machine.
It's gonna take some getting used to, but here's to you reaching new heights, partner.
That's a pretty snazzy performance there.
I guess that's one of the Titans keeping Amy trapped.
I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog.
I think you have something that belongs to me.
That's not fear. I ran all the way over here. And you haven't left an impression. I don't know anything about you, not even your name.
Sorry, kid, but I've got a job to do.
Oh, great. See, Infinite? Now we're getting to know each other. So, what's your favorite color? Do you like long, romantic walks on the beach? What's the source of your power? You can skip the first two questions if you like.
This is my power, and I'm not using it to run away anymore. I'm using it to protect my friend.
I'm so confused.
You came to see me? She's embarrassed by me. Nuru and Shita were here. It's headed for the river. I'm Tarzan, Jane's husband.
Oh, hey, man, what's up? I'm just waiting for the bathroom. Hey, Mr. Pine, I am the lifeguard. I make the rules, sucker! So, hey, let's say everyone at this party gets stuck on a desert island. Who do you think the leader would? Speaking of tall, want to see something? Those are my three brothers, and I'm... boop, the Big Dipper. I thought your parents just hated you or something. Hey, I guess we're both freaks. What is blanching? Rappers can't just make up words.
Why am I so tiny? Is that my voice? Is that my voice? Oh well.
Schmoopsy whoopsie yummy bear.
Stop that, seriously.
Dooby wooby baby boo.
You really know how to ruin a girl's fun. You'll get over it, sweetie.
That hurts much more than it looked.
Shut up. You say the nicest things.
Hey, is that a bit of a smile I see? Just a smidge?
Nope, you lost me again. Everything all right? Easy does it.
Would you look at that? Oh, you poor thing.
Don't push it. Come on, Linda, chill. This is just a dream. I shouldn't worry. Wait a minute. If this is a dream, I can do whatever I want. But everything looks so real, so tiny. It's like a toy. Everything's so small, so delicate.
I can't lose my job. I need to be able to afford a new plasma 4K flat screen TV and maybe a new home. We will see. I just have to be a little bit more careful where I step on. But the streets are too little for my footsies. Everything breaks so easily. Look out, little people. Here I come. Get out of the way, please. For your own safety. Please, run away from me. None of this makes any sense. Why is everything so small? Maybe this is all a dream. And nothing I do actually matters. I'm giant. And I can do whatever I want. Every day will be Taco Tuesday.
Hey, Star. I'm here to take you to the Blood Moon Ball. I can't do that. You know too much. Now I gotta destroy. Yeah. She is kinda awesome. You know you're never gonna win, right? I know, right? Heck, I could just skip that whole movie marathon and... Actually, I can't let you leave yet. Couldn't we just chill here for like another 4.5 minutes? Have a little faith, Star. I'm a monster. You're a human. If we can make it work, then there's hope for everyone.
Yeah, listen. Keep this discreet, you hear me? I can't let it get out I'm offering my services to randos on the street. It was a quick cash grab. You know, you really gotta watch what comes out of your mouth. I've been making these sex jokes the whole time, and it's obvious you ain't catching on. I mean, it's just sad. I owed my girl buddy a solid. Isn't that a redeeming quality? Helping friends with stuff? Oh, come on, I had to. My credibility was on the line. I mean, what kind of reputation would I have if people found out I was trying to go clean? It just throws out my entire persona. No, babe. Jokes are funny. I made you look, sad and pathetic. Great, now I'm bummed thinking about it. This thing have any liquor?
Where is she? No teenager's ever up early. If my trunk was that small, I wouldn't draw attention to myself, pal. You know, I don't like animals that kill for pleasure. That's what you do in a herd. You look out for each other. We're? Come on, we're still a team.
This is beautiful. The sky is so clear out here. Do you know any of the thingies?
Yeah, no, I'll figure it out. Okay, bye.
Didn't I tell you? It's just this... I'm going to check out this university upstate. Well, I'd probably never even get in, but... Wait, are you sure you want to give me a ride and not because you bet someone you could, or... I'm just glad we could finally talk. I'm sorry for any trouble I caused you guys, but I don't think it's a good idea for me to get involved. If it's any consolation, I think CJ will come around. I'm serious. You're always there for me. I mean, there's not a lot of people I can say that about. I should get going.
I triple-dipped your sandwich, Rigby, just the way you like it. So, Rigby, I was wondering, do you like miniature golf? Me too! You know, in an ironic way. My shift ends early tonight. Wanna go? Who are your little pals, Rigby? Aw, they made a baby duck milk waterfall. And I'm allergic to duck dander. To the conjunction of the moon and Mars up on Lookout Mountain? I know! I'm so excited. But that doesn't mean I won't figure out what it is. I'm surprised. And I'm sorry I couldn't just go with the flow. My critical mind is a blessing and a curse. Thanks for sticking with me.
We've been working on this for a while. It's an anti-gravity serum.
I prefer to be alone. I would not know. No, it is in their nature to have fear of me. This I cannot change. Maybe this is because you are kind to me first.
Well, Yzma just tossed me this knife and asked me to, you know, take them out. And then this guy popped up, and then we waited for you, and quite honestly...
I'm blind! No! I can see! It's a miracle! Another perfect landing. No worries. I'm okay. Thank you for caring. It's just a few bruises. Where? No! Lucy! Human tails. Humans don't have tails. They have big bottoms that they wear with bad shorts. They walk around going, "Hi, Helen! Hey! Where are you going?" Yeah, this territory looks kind of familiar. Fabulous day in the canopy, isn't it? Oh, where do you think you're going? I know where I am. I know where I am. Hey! You scared me there for a minute. I thought you said you were going to Mount Warning. Fractured face, fairy bug. Come on! Mount Warning is the last place in the world a little bug like you wants to go. Look at these. You think nature did this? Do you think I put this in to get better reception? No! Humans did this. We should stay here. It's nice here. Come on, you got a great set of wings. Let's just flutter for a while.
All right, I'm going inside. You can just stay here and watch for... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life? I wonder what this one is.
What? What is
a dingle hopper?
No, they're not all like that. We're not the only ones who have no respect for balance.
You know I can't do this.
Okay, seriously? I can't understand wise guys, so you'll have to be more specific.
All right, come on. Eye of the tiger. Frankie, I can do this! What if I can't? All right. Listen to me. Don't move until I tell you. Look, I'm just pretending so you can get away. Now, when I turn around, you take off. Tastes just like chicken. Quiet. We're safe. The Shark Slayer. Yes, they're... Get a hold of yourself, man! This is no time to act crazy. I know. They think you're the Shark Slayer. As if. When the anchor... Oh, you're a liar.
I'd rather not talk about myself, okay? But Oscar, he's a real piece of work. You know, I'm out in the wastelands with my another shark, and we come across Oscar all tied up in the middle of nowhere. Me, I'm not fond of fish, but this other shark decides to eat him. The results were not pleasant for any of us.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
gets left behind.
Or forgotten.
Hello! I know. Play! Surf's up! Yeah, good! That is good! Thank you! Hi! What? Getting sleepy.
Master Shifu said this is for you to do.
You can chain my body, but you will never chain my warriors.
Well then, that's the plan. You're on foot. I'll search overhead. Good luck.
Where is that girl? But seeing how that shaw's only the nastiest hunter. You don't see me tied up, do you, baby? This is my ride, and this is my town, okay? These are my people. This is where I reside. Nobody's hunting this. Bears eat fish. You know, the think tank. The log cabin. Johnny on the spot. The Oval Office. Oh, no, whoa, wait. Look, you gotta be real careful with him, okay? Because he's... Aren't those the same beavers? All right, time to run these guys back. Now let's kick some hunter bazooka. Behold, the mighty grizzly!
One lucky doe will get to spend her life with this fine specimen of a buck. His magnificent antlers, a testament to his great prowess, his strength, his masculinity, his awesomeness, his super incredible coolness, his amazing kick-buttosity! Ladies and gentlemen!
What's going on? Where am I? I saw a bright light, and I saw two bright lights, and... Am I dead? It's a Shaw. A hunter? Did he get you too? Your ride? Yeah. Really? Well, then untie me. Please? Look, no one's looking. I don't want to be mounted on a wall. Buddy? He called me buddy. The big rocks are called mountains, and the little rock... He's a good dancer. We're gonna be in a show. Diva, I understand what's going on here. You're a little crabby because you're hungry. Oh, by nightfall, easy. Absolutely. Hey, you want to see something stupid? I'm a little lightheaded. Okay. Hello. You might be wondering, am I standing in paradise right now? No, but I say it's close to it. These are the school gardens, cultivated and maintained by the gardening club. I'm Elliot, president of said gardening club, and here's why you should join the Green Gang.
Hey, what's going on?
Well, who wouldn't be? You are pretty scary.
Come on over, guys. Take it easy. Don't worry, she's just a hairball. Now you just take a foot and press. So, where are your parents anyway? Well, the skinny ones can be a little chewy.
Maybe you should talk to him, Alex. You know, go over there and give him a little pep talk. Come on, he's your best friend.
Oh, no, not now. This is an intervention, Melman. We all gotta...
Man, what kind of cat are you?
We're gonna find a way to help him. That's what we're gonna do.
That was not me.
Okay, that was the boat.
Who's your friend? Or is that your butt?
Melman, why don't you want to spend time with me today?